Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what is the Colmi Smart Ring R12 is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official Colmi website, the Colmi Smart Ring R12 is a wearable health and fitness tracker designed to help users monitor their daily activity and wellness. The company says it combines health tracking with built-in touchscreen display, allowing you to view certain information directly from the ring without always reaching your phone. According to the website, the ring can monitor heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep step count, calories burned, and multiple sports activities. The company also says that the feature gesture control, allowing you to perform actions such as controlling your phone camera, navigating basically through supported apps, and the ring is designed with wireless charging, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and water resistance, making it suitable for everyday wear. At the bottom here, you will find frequently asked questions. If you have one of these questions provided here, you can see the answer for all of those. I'm just going to open all the answers here. If you have one of those questions as example, you can pause the video to read the answer for yourself. So it's many questions here. If you noticed as example your question, just go and pause the video. So two left, and here we are. Also, you have here as example a video explaining how to do it exactly if you want to follow that video as well. You do have also customer support as example if you want to contact them about a specific information before making your purchase. So here you'll find the example, the ring size, the colors as well, and you'll find the buy option, and they'll take you an example where you can buy it as like AliExpress for me here. So the website says, example, this ring is available on both Android and iPhone. According to the company, the app provides more details, health report, activity history, sleep analysis, and device settings, helping you manage your wellness information in one place. And to get started, of course, if you buy it already, you'll have to fully charge the ring using the included wireless charging dock. Next, then you will have to download the Q-Ring app from the Google Play or App Store. Turn the Bluetooth on your phone, open the app, and follow the on-screen instructions to pair the ring with your device. And according to the website, once you are connected, your health and activity data will automatically sync with the app directly. And as we said, if you would like to purchase, just click on buy now on AliExpress or any other option that you have, and then you can click on buy now from there. Go to the checkout and enter your shipping details, enter your payments method, then you should be go. So I hope this was helpful to you. If it is, just hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.